Good Tuesday morning. This is your Loudoun County weather outlook. It's going to be another sunny and beautiful day. Highs today, we get into the upper 60s. Only some light breezes from the south, bringing in the slightly warmer air. Tomorrow is going to be much warmer, highs in the mid 70s, and we're going to be sunny. And as I go forward here, you can see this Wednesday, and you can see southerly winds. That's this area here, because the high has kind of been shifted off the east coast. So winds are going to be coming out of the south, which is going to really warm us up for the next couple days. You do see eventually here this front's going to approach and come through. So mid 70s tomorrow, then mid 70s for Thursday. Then overnight on Thursday night, this front comes through. Unfortunately, it looks very dry, which is giving us a good chance if we miss any rain on Thursday night. If it doesn't rain and we have no vegetable real rainfall, we'll probably hit a record for the longest dry streak we've had at Loudoun Airport, and that's going to be bad news for drought and everything else. This high pressure comes in here. It's going to cool us down for the weekend, but pretty seasonable. Highs in the low 60s to around 60, and having lows in the 30s to around 40. And then as this high shifts further east, because we kind of repeat this pattern, winds are going to start to shift around to the south, and we'll get up in the upper 60s and 70s probably next week. So again, here we are Monday, upper 60s. By Tuesday, probably upper 60s, low 70s, and then next week looks kind of warm. This high in control. This high is a blocking, high. It is not allowing any of these fronts to progress too fast to the east by the time they get here. It is eating up all the moisture, so not too much. This one looks a little more promising in the long range, and then boom, it goes dry. So same pattern, just repeating. Of course, we're looking down here to see if there's any Caribbean action with a hurricane or something, but so far, there are some outlooks by the National Hurricane Center, something forming down there. So far, it doesn't look like it's hitting the United States, but it's just something to watch, kind of getting stalled out down there. But here we are in a repeat pattern again. Now, if we get this low to come up north from the hurricane and the high to the north of us, we could be needing some easterly winds that may bring us some cloudiness and things like that. But we're so far out there. We're talking, over a week away. At this point, I wouldn't really trust the models too much. This model isn't even finished running yet, but if we keep going out, it's showing maybe some moisture in the very long range, while this tropical system down here in the Caribbean is just kind of stuck there to see if that matters at all. I suspect if this trough comes through, we'll probably kick it out, and it wouldn't be a U.S. threat. But this thing has been weird on the models, and even our forecast and stuff hasn't been clear. But overall, this is not a huge pattern change. As a matter of fact, this looks like it's going to be a huge drying trend for the entire country in the very long range if this comes true. So basically, we have, upper 60 days, 70s tomorrow and Thursday, around 70 on Friday, and then a little cooler over the weekend, but pretty seasonable. Highs around the 60-degree mark. Warming up again early next week. No real foreseeable chances of rain. Maybe some showers through here on Friday night. Thursday night, there's about a 50% chance. I don't know if that's going to really pan out. And if we don't get any rain on Thursday night, this will be a dry record for the amount of time between measurable rainfall. Speaking of Tuesday, Loudoun County weather outlook. I hope you have an awesome day.